Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I like to quickly show you how you can create your own bass sequences inside of Serum with using the clips feature. So with these sequences, by the way, I'm gonna share my sequence file with the channel members. If you like to download it, don't forget to check the membership of my YouTube channel. And also you can easily create this kind of sequences by your own and use it like this. So when you just load these sequences inside of the Serum 2, all you gotta do is just write one single note, just like this, and it's gonna play the entire MIDI track, just like that. And you can be able to switch the patterns by just clicking them like this. So I like to show you how you can create your own sequences, and you can be able to load the sequences in any presets. So for example, let's go to some random preset, for example, this one. So it's just a basic bass patch. And currently there is no clip in here. If I play it, it just sounds like this. Nothing, just one hit. So all we gotta do is just go to clips, activate it by clicking this turn on knob. Let's go to the first clip, and all we gotta do is just write the bass pattern. So there are several bass patterns in Melodic Techno. In the sequence file I'm gonna share, it included 8 different patterns. So let's say you wanna create the most basic one, something like this. And all you gotta do is just put the keyboard span to poly, and that's it. Let's put down one octave higher, by the way, by holding shift and arrow. Yeah, it should be like this. And for example, if you like to create another pattern, you can just go to the second clip section in here. This time, let's create a rolling bass. So all I'm doing is just double clicking, by the way. And let's activate keyboard span to poly. Let me deactivate this LFO, so it's just changing the sound in time. I don't want to have it for now. Let's go back to clips. And for example, you can just save this, like, let's call it test. And let's say we just don't like this preset, we want to use something else. All you gotta do is just go to any preset you want to use. And then you can just go to the bank in here, go to the user, and you will see the bank you just saved. Now your patterns, your sequence is loaded inside of this preset. And let's click this once and activate clip. This time, I think we need to lower to the lowest octave. So the octave is gonna change depending on the preset itself, and I think you can just, without changing the MIDI, probably you can just transpose it like this as well. So, for example, if you like to change the key, all you gotta do is just change the MIDI that you are using for this patch. For example, if I can push the MIDI to D, now this pattern is gonna play in the note of, not D, the E. So as I said, I'm gonna share these 8 different patterns to the channel members. Along with the presets I created, I'm gonna share 3 different Melodic Techno presets. And yeah guys, this Serum 2 feature is totally a time saver. Now you don't need to write this much MIDI, you can just load them inside of any preset you like. And with just one click you can test different kind of bass patches. So today that was it guys, thanks for watching, see you on the next video, bye bye.